Hello there. I'm going to go old school with this video. You know, old school. Like 3 weeks ago, when I put out that first video. This is a pretty straightforward video anyway. I covered most of the techniques and tools you'll need in the You Spin Me Round video. Check the upper right corner for a link. This is just resistors, and more LEDs, and more resistors, and more LEDs. Just about 354 more of them. With that being said, enjoy some royalty-free YouTube music and some visual ASMR, and I'll see you at the end.
you, baby. chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
And we're done. We did it. We made the flag. Now, let's throw it on a shelf, look at it 3 times, and forget all about it. Or, let's be real. Anyone can assemble a kit like this straight out of the box. The whole point of this video, and the last video, was to show you that with a little solder and iron, and some patience, most anyone is capable of this. Now for part 3, we're going to get a little creative and transform this basic kit into something more than it is. We're not just going to throw it on a pile of finished practice soldering projects. We're going to take this basic kit and customize it to make it truly unique. I hope you'll come back and watch the finale. So until then, thanks for watching.